Let's show you 3 ways to get the most out of your mural. You can use these features on both the Meural photo frame and larger Meural canvas models. Meural uses gesture control to give you touch-free and effortless control of your display. Your mural comes with 2 built-in gesture sensors, one on top of your frame and one at the left side of your frame. These gesture sensors are active at all times, so choose whichever sensor works best for you. When you rotate your frame into portrait orientation, the sensors are now positioned on the top and right side of the frame. On the 21-inch and 27-inch mural canvas, they are located on the bottom and right side when in portrait orientation. Your frame detects slow, steady motions of your hand. For the best gesture recognition, hold your hand about an inch away from the frame and slowly and steadily move your hand about 4 inches from one side of the sensors to the other. Wave left or right to change images. Wave up to learn more about an image. Wave down to access the frame menu. You can also change the direction of your gesture direction in the canvas settings in the Meural app. Open the Meural app. Tap Canvas at the bottom right-hand section. Tap the gear icon. Scroll down and switch the gesture direction feature on. You can now use the opposite direction to control your mural. Your mural can automatically power down the display or dim the brightness of the image to best fit your room's lighting conditions. To enable this feature or adjust its settings, just go under the Canvas settings in the Meural app and scroll down to the Light Sensor section. To have your mural frame automatically adjust the display brightness to match the lighting of your room, switch on Auto Adjust Brightness. To have your mural display shut off when you turn off the lights, switch on the Sleep When Room is Dark feature. Not all rooms have the same amount of light, so just adjust the settings of how much light your mural detects by tapping the Light Sensitivity feature. Select High for brighter rooms and Low for rooms with low light. When in landscape orientation, your mural includes a power button on the back of the 15-inch frame and the bottom of the 21-inch and 27-inch canvas. Tap the power button to put the frame to sleep. Press the power button for 1 second to turn the frame back on. To turn off the frame, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Now you know 3 quick tips when using your mural. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the NETGEAR channel for more tips and tricks for your mural.